Good morning and happy Tech Tip Friday. I'm Kurt Staley, that plastics guy, and I'm bringing you a word of encouragement today. So there's a lot of things going on with respect to Canada and the US, tariffs, probably reopening of the, formerly known as NAFTA, now the CANUSA, Canadian-US-Mexico Free Trade Agreement, and things are going to change. There's no question. So as business people, specifically small to medium size, what do? We have to actively look at different export markets. Does that mean we ignore our friends south of the border, the largest free market economy in the world? No, we can't do that. But we do have to diversify, and that means looking to our friends in the UK, EU, and other friendly markets. And there are plenty of them around the world. We just have to start doing it. So here at Simcoe Plastics, we've expanded our product offerings. We have new supply partners, new products, much more focused on engineered compounds and colorants and commodity master batches, and we are ready to talk about exporting to the world. How strongly do I believe in it? Well, this came. Here we go. This is going on my next car. And you know why? I'm proud of the industry I work in. I am proud of my company, and I love what I do. And I am going to shout it from the mountaintops, not just being a Canadian business, but being in the plastics industry, being a part of the industry that helps support the modern lifestyle and all of the things that it has, not just in terms of convenience, but in healthcare. For example, can you imagine healthcare without plastics? No, you don't want to. It would not be a great space. We do so much to support the industry, or to support the lifestyle that we live, everything from synthetic fibers and textiles. It's super important. Gore-Tex, all these things, they're synthetic. Most people don't really think about that. They associate plastics with garbage and whatnot. Look, pick up your garbage, deal with the problems, participate in recycling, put pressure on your local officials to increase recycling capability. That's how we win this. Plastics are custom tailored to support the things we need in the modern life. And I'm proud to be a part of it. I've been in the industry since 1986. So this is a pep talk for Canada, small to medium-sized enterprises. Get on the ball, look at other markets, sell within Canada. We have a vast country and we need to do more business within our country as well. Think about that. That is a tech tip that you can take everywhere, not just to the shop floor, but to your sales calls, to the boardroom, to your neighbors, to your friends and family. Think Canada, think about expanding your horizons, and let's get this done. That is your tech tip / pep talk for this Friday. Have a great weekend. Think about it. Think about our great country and how we can become the powerhouse that we should be. Thanks so much. Take care and bye for now.